Bro, get your hands to take. How y'all feel? How y'all feel? Trans, how you feel? You about to graduate from kindergarten today?
Good.
Trans, Jaden, you graduating from high school. How does it feel to be a grown man out of school? It feels good. Kenzie, baby, you looking good today, girl. Okay. Oh, my bad. That was clean. You know what I'm saying? Little baby. Don't play, okay? Dr. Flowers.
Good morning, first graders. Oh, aren't they beautiful?
Yes, they are.
It gives me great pleasure on behalf of the William Paker Elementary staff, the Board of Education, our Superintendent of Schools, to welcome you to this great program. Your children and our students and the teachers have worked very hard to prepare the students for this auspicious occasion.
We are the children of yesterday's dream. We are the promise of the future we bring. Waving the banner of love to all, to every nation, the rich and the poor. We are the world's around. Divided we fall, together we climb to the top of the world. We could be what we want.
My man. Congratulations.
All right, little baby. Okay, y'all, so we are leaving graduation number 1, and then we are headed to graduation number 2. They gave him a book and a summer packet. Jaden! Trans, where? Look, y'all, he too sexy for his shirt. He done came up out the shirt. They gave him a book. Look, show him the book. Let me see your book. Let me see your book. Okay. Jaden! Let me see the packet. Let me see the packet. They also gave him a summer packet so he can work on some stuff over the summer. Alright, y'all, so little baby decided to leave and go with my mother, so he's not going to Jaden's graduation, but we are headed to my son's graduation now. How you feel, Jaden? I feel good. That's good. Before Jaden graduates. Proud mother.
I think we have some folks that are coming a little late here. We were usually
Jaden.
Good morning. Can everyone hear me? Yes. Great. Good morning, and thank you
Maybe a
so
little
much
piece
for your
of it.
patience as we get started. We're hoping that all our families are here. I'm Renee Flowers, the program director here at Laurel. At this time, I know everyone just sat down and the graduates look so handsome. Can everyone please stand for our pledge of allegiance? Time with you is brief, for produce the best outcome this day. Graduation day. Enjoy this moment and be proud. Be happy as you move on to greater things. Congratulations, Mrs. Austin. Your journey may have had its ups and downs, but your ability to rise above challenges speaks volumes about your character. Embrace the lessons learned along the way and let them guide you toward a future filled with success and fulfillment. Congratulations on your graduation, and may your journey ahead be filled with continued growth, positivity, and achievement. And present
Take a picture of him.
Jaden.
Gotti made it! Gotti made it! Gotti made it!
Please move your tassels from the right to the left.
Take a picture of him.
All right, have a seat, graduates.
Look.
Everyone, please stand.
Yeah, y'all, so we are actually back in the house. The graduations were a success. We stopped to pick up my oldest son, one of his friends. They're going to celebrate together along with some of their other friends are going to meet up. But my niece's birthday is later this evening, and I'm actually going to take a nap for a couple of hours just so I can recharge my energy level, and I will see you guys once I get up. My son actually has his diploma. Gotti, you made it. Gotti, you made it. Responsible for some of the beats that are in my vlog. Jaden, go ahead and shout out your YouTube channel.
Yes, Gotti made it.
Gotti made it. I'll make sure.
G-O-T-T-I made it.
G-O-T-T-I made it. I'll make sure I link it below. But I'm so proud of you. How you feel, Jaden?
I feel good.
That's good. All right, I'm about to nap. All right, so we are back on the road. We actually had to stop at the gas station so that I can put gas in my car because I'm flying down the highway on E. So we are headed to my niece's birthday dinner. So yeah, I'll see you guys once I get there.
Hi subscribers. If
up,
you are
Steaky
not
Man?
subscribed, if you are not subscribed to my aunt's channel, subscribe.
Okay. Period. What you say? Remember what I was telling you to say the last time? Remember you said, "Hey guys." Remember?
Hey guys, subscribe.
And you said hit the bell notification and comment your favorite color. Congratulations, big dog. And of course, and me. We already done started eating, y'all, but happy birthday to you. So we headed back to the car. Today was a success. Both graduations, niece birthday, mission accomplished. They back to taking pictures. They think they cool or whatever. But yeah, so I got work tomorrow. So this is going to end the vlog, guys. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and bell notification. Look at my children back there. They ain't little no more.